Whoa, deja vu.
What did you just say?
Nothing, just a little deja vu.
What did you see?
What's going on? A black Octa just drove past, and then another just like it.
How much like it? Was it the same car?
It might have been, I'm not sure.
Switch, APOP.
What is it?
A deja vu is a glitch in the Matrix. It happens when QuickSilver changes something.
Welcome, Barry Skeen, Brand Director at QuickSilver Sound Architects, and you're not seeing double, it's not deja vu. Behind me I have two of the latest and greatest Land Rover Defender OCTAs. Both these vehicles have just had our QuickSilver Sound Architect systems fitted to them. This enables you to have two very distinct sound modes, and what we're going to do today is we're going to demonstrate the difference between the more civilized mode and the more exciting sporty mode at the same time next to each other and going behind each other on the road. So without further ado, we'll let these fabulous vehicles and our systems do the talking. Let's go. And what did you think of that? Two very distinct driving modes, a much more civilised mode and a sporty mode at the touch of a button on your phone. If you are interested in one of these systems, get to QuickSilverResource.com where you can buy direct, or you can use our dealer locator and find a dealer near you around the world, which takes a lot of the hard work out for you. Please subscribe and hit the bell. Follow us on socials if you want to hear more crazy, amazing vehicles sounding a lot better in the way they should. I'll catch you on the next one.